All right, today I have an Amana Thermostat, and I'm going to show you how to use the Amana Thermostat. But before we get started, could you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel for more great content? Well, at least I think it's great. Well, anyway, so let's get started. So you have the thermostat right here. This is a fairly basic version of it. And right now it is on cool. All right, so the temperature is set at 68. If you want to adjust the the air conditioner for this, you just come over here and you can press the minus or plus right here to change the temperature. The plus increases the temperature, the minus decreases the temperature, okay? All right, now, if you look closely, you'll see that there's red around the plus, that's indicative of the heat. You'll see the blue around here, that's indicative of the cooler, all right? So it's not heat, excuse me, it's warmer and then cooler, okay? The blue represents cooler, the red represents warmer. All right, so you have that, and then you can adjust right here. Now, it is on cool, which means air conditioning, okay? So you can change this. Say, for instance, you want heat. Go ahead and press mode, and you can change it to heat, just like that. And you can adjust the temperature accordingly, the same way you could adjust it when it was on air conditioning. All right, really cool. Now, we're gonna talk about fan speed. All right, so you have the fan speed right here. You can adjust the fan speed. Currently, it is on low. If I press this, oh, it's only on low. Oh, there we go. All right, for some reason I wasn't pressing right. So I pressed it and now it is on auto. So it adjusts the fan speed automatically. All right, so if I press it again, I can go over to high. All right, so that's a high fan speed. All right, so that's the speed of the fan, but there's also an option for this particular thermostat for constant fan. If I press this, it turns the constant fan on. All right, so the constant fan is on, all right, and it just doesn't turn off. That keeps the air circulating constantly. Now, if you want to turn that off, you just go right here, press it again until it's off. You don't see anything on there, and so it's not a constant fan. It will shut off when it needs to shut off. Now, let's go back over to mode button. All right, so it's on heat right now. If I press it again, got to press it thoroughly, it goes to off. So now the thermostat has turned off the cooling system altogether. Turn it back on, just go ahead and press this, goes to cool. If you don't want cool, press it again, goes to heat, press it again, it goes to off. So that's how you use the Amana thermostat. I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe.